Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. One of the best pieces of advice when it comes to investing is to pay very close attention to what the consensus is. If everybody is heading in the same direction, then jumping on the bandwagon then is too late. You've already missed the move. What you need to do is start looking into the opposite direction, because when the crowd starts to head that way, that's where the big opportunities are. Just a quick reminder, any advice here is general only. These were the headlines at the start of the year. After dropping dramatically in 2022, no one was tipping the technology sector to do well. Since then, we've had the NASDAQ up about 30%, and local stocks like Xero and WiseTech have returned closer to 60%. So what are the headlines today? Economic woes in China. It looks like a real disaster over there, and markets seem to be on edge again. Almost every data point out of China recently has been worse than expected. Now, do we run away from here and join the consensus, or do we look for the opposite trade? That is, do we think about getting positioned in resource stocks for when China's economy bottoms out and improves? You can try to be contrarian and jump in early, but these headlines should at the very least grab your attention and tell you this is the area we need to focus on, because when the crowd swings in the opposite direction, that's where you get the big move. Now, you're not going to find out in the media. No one's going to ring a bell and tell you it's safe to invest in resources again. The stocks will start moving before the headlines catch on, just as we saw with the tech stocks earlier this year. So watch what the stocks are doing. When you see them bounce and ready to get going, ignore the doom and gloom headlines. That's the key to get in. By the time everyone else has cottoned on to the idea, you've already made most of your money. If you're looking for more ideas, go to our website, fairmontequities.com, and sign up to our free trial. You'll get our market outlook, our trading guide on how to buy and sell shares, and you'll get 8 weeks of our research delivered to your inbox. And if you qualify for our portfolio management service and you have more than $500,000 to invest, please give me a call and we can have a chat about that.